In the beginning, my dad invested in some used equipment that was what's called letterpress equipment. And basically it was just to print part numbers on the bottom of a box. Today we have state-of-the-art 8-color press printing inside, outside for e-commerce. We have constantly invested in our equipment and our technology here. When we do that, we're looking for quality enhancements to the product. We recently made a very significant investment in a new work center, and we're constantly looking at upgrades to the equipment that we do have. We have always wanted to be a full provider to the packaging market. So some of our equipment is set up for industrial packaging. The United Die Cutter, the Langston Flexo folder gluer, the Ward folder gluer, those are all geared toward that industrial market. The flatbed die cutter, the Automaton label laminator, the Gopfert 8-color are all targeted toward the graphics packaging market. So we want to be able to provide all of those markets and be diversified.
We have a wide array of equipment. They will say, wow, that's a lot of firepower. And we do have a lot of firepower under our roof.
Safety's always been a very important value of our company. And it's even more so now. Our people are more attuned to it. Our management team is very involved in it, and it's something we believe in. Any new equipment we buy, we're looking for the best safety features that are available now.